Sounds of Success Preschool and Learning Center is a local private nonprofit organization serving all preschool children ages 2 through 6 years old. Located in Aiea, Hawaii, we are a unique preschool that also specializes in providing an integrated program of early childhood education with individualized speech-language therapy services for preschool children with speech-language needs. Our spacious, attractive, clean, safe, and secure classrooms and playroom provide a home away from home for our students. Our academic and hands-on learning curriculum focuses on kindergarten readiness, including early literacy, writing, math, science, and cultural studies. We also promote social-emotional development by fostering and supporting healthy friendships amongst peers, teachers, and speech pathologists. For more information, give us a call today.
Sounds of Success Preschool in Aiea is looking for on-call substitute teachers' aides. Applicants must have a high school diploma or GED and love working with young children. Visit their website to find out more or email your resume to info@sospreschool.org.